shooting. Two Miami-Dade police officers faced a judge today, just as the second injured officer was released from the hospital. Local 10 News reporter Glenna Milberg is live in Northwest Miami-Dade with the latest on this investigation. Glenna.
Lori, great news for the officers. Their recovery both out. They were able and their colleagues were able to make this really speedy arrest, largely because the community helped with information. Well, tonight, many people in that community, they've come out to the North Side Police Station. They are asking questions tonight and concerned. They want to know why their cases of their loved ones lost may not be receiving the same attention.
There's probable cause for attempted first-degree murder.
This time, no bond for Damian Thompson. His latest charges, attempted murders of two Miami-Dade police officers ambushed in an AK-47 spray Monday night. Spray paint, broken glass, and police tape remain where it happened at Annie Coleman housing complex, from where tips and information helped officers zero in on Thompson in fewer than 12 hours. It's also a place family who've lost loved ones to violence are raising questions now about the speed and intensity of that arrest and why their cases are unsolved.
They never find the people killers.
One of them is Annie Williams, whose 18-year-old sister was shot to death blocks away in a drive-by last summer, a case still unsolved despite officers' area canvass and plea for tips.
Doesn't mean that the officer's life is any more valuable.
The head of the Police Benevolent Association answered those concerns.
Is it a cooperation issue?
Well, that's a huge part on open homicide cases. We do not have enough officers or detectives to follow each and every lead.
Monday night, police were already saturating the area with the proactive task force targeting gangs, drugs, and shootings. Also, Officer White had just arrested Thompson in January, that's the arrest report, for a concealed weapon. The officer can ID him firsthand, less reliance on witnesses who may fear retaliation. The bigger concern might be repeat offenders released to await trial, and in Thompson's case, accused of more violence while they're out. So many in the group you're looking at are parents of murdered children. They have gathered here. They've actually invited the police chief and police brass. They have a list of cases that they are so intimately involved with that have gone unsolved, some for a few years now, and they want answers tonight. I'm Glenna Milberg, live in Northwest Miami-Dade, Local 10 News.